Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to share Facebook post to WhatsApp. So let's head over to our Facebook application first. As you can see, I'm currently on my Facebook and I'm heading over to my profile by tapping the three lines on the top right and going to my profile and scrolling down and choosing a post I want to share to WhatsApp. So this is the post I want to share. What I will do is tap on the three dots on the top right. And here you can see there is an option. If you can't find the option of share, tap on the share on the lower right corner of the option. And from here, just tap on WhatsApp. Now here you have to select the person you want to send this to. So I'm selecting this one. And now tap on the paper plane icon. And now the post is shared. So yeah, this is how easy to share Facebook post to WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any question regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we'll try to solve it out.